Let's look at this Tableau public dashboard. The special thing about this dashboard is this map chart where we have different countries across Europe and we are showing the wages and the respective rankings. The special thing about this chart is that we have symbols of countries spread out away from the actual countries within the map, and they are tied using this image of line. Let's see how we can achieve the similar thing in Tableau desktop. I have downloaded the workbook from Tableau Public. Let's try to go inside the sheet. So it is very clear that both the map chart and the spread out of the country symbols using shapes is achieved using the same sheet. To make this work, we have multiple marks. The most important mark is this MP country flags. The mark type is selected as shapes, and the position of these countries is being defined with the help of collect function. Collect function is working along with the make point functions which we are declaring in this calculated field. There is a case statement for each country where we are declaring make point positions. For example, for Belgium, there are two position inputs. 52 is the y-axis position and 0.02 is the x-axis position. I can change its position by changing the number of either x or y coordinate. If I add 4 for the x-axis input, it should move to the right side. Belgium has moved to right. So it is very clear that we need to play with this number for each static countries on the map to achieve their respective static position. This can only work when you have limited number of categories. Apart from map, there are other things which are contributing to this dashboard. There are labels on top of country shapes as well, which is being achieved with this similar method. To achieve this, instead of using shapes, we are using text mark. Again, we are using collect and make point functions to define the position of those text mark about each country symbol. If we open the calculated field which is being put in the detail of the mark, we can see that the Y positions are slightly different than what we have used for the symbol ones to avoid the overlapping. The underlying concept is same, it's just that instead of shapes, we are using text mark to achieve this. There are many floating images of transparent lines are placed above the sheet to denote the each country. There are custom image tools available to make it work, where we can define the orientation and angle of this line or any shape for your use case. We will explore that in next videos, but for now it should be enough to get started with the collect and make point functions. Thank you.